In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove layers from a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you're dealing with complex PDF documents that contain multiple layers and you want to simplify them, this tutorial will guide you through the process of removing those layers in a few straightforward steps. Let's jump right in. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is essential, as Acrobat Pro DC provides the tools you need to manage layers within a PDF document, unlike the basic Acrobat Reader. Once your PDF is open, your next task is to navigate to the Tools menu. From there, look for the option labeled Print Production. Go ahead and click on it. This might seem like a tool you'd use for preparing files for printing. And while that's true, it offers various other functions, including layer management. After selecting Print Production, you'll find an option for Preflight. Opening Preflight allows you to access a wide range of advanced document modifications, including the ability to manage and remove layers. Once the Preflight dialog box opens, you're going to need to adjust the profile, sometimes referred to as the Fix-Ups area. You must switch it to a set that supports layer removal. A little tip. Many users have found that selecting Acrobat Pro DC 2015 profiles makes it easier to locate the layer removal options. Now that you've set the appropriate profile, it's time to search for a specific fix-up related to removing layers. In the search bar, type something like "Remove layer with specified name." This search will bring up various options that are specifically designed for dealing with layers. Once you've identified the correct fix-up tool, it's crucial to enter the exact name of the layer you want to remove. Remember, layer names are case-sensitive, so you'll need to make sure that you enter the name exactly as it appears in your document. The final step is to click on Analyze and Fix, or in some versions, you might just see Fix. This action will apply the fix-up and permanently remove the specified layers from your document. It's a simple click, but it's crucial to review your file beforehand to ensure that removing this layer won't affect any other content you need. And there you have it. The layers have been removed, and your document should now be simplified. You can save your newly edited PDF to keep a copy of your changes. Removing layers can greatly reduce file complexity and improve ease of use, especially for sharing or printing. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider subscribing for more Adobe Acrobat Pro DC tips.